This is the new Orpet, and look at the kitchen grease, or I can say the fumes came, and probably those center part, the handi, or I can say the center, the base where the fins are attached, they are not dirtier, so that can be just wiped off. But these three fins I had to just remove by climbing through a ladder. So this is the number one. Let's go to the number two. Here is the number two, which is really dirty. I thought of removing these during Diwali time, but couldn't do much. The similar case, the center part, circular, the body, that is not so dirty, but the remaining other stuff are dirty, so I can wipe off the other areas, but these fins need lot of effort, so I can bring them down using the tool, the screwdriver. Here is my third fan, which is equally dirtier, and the same case, I'm going to bring them down, the fins, and soak them in detergent water, then again put them back using the tool. Here is the fourth one. Even this one I wanted to do, but let me see, the ladder will not fit in here because there is a bed underneath. So all these four fans, that means 12 fins, I'm going to clean this and use the tool which I've just revealed, and to fit them back and open them. Thanks. Hi friends, I'm back. So I'll use the knife to cut open from here so that it can be fix it back. So let's cut it, guys. So finally I think I'll be able to open this. Let me show you. I had to use both hands, so I removed these two AA alkaline non-rechargeable batteries which came with this tool. This tool is handy. It is lighter now. Once load the battery, it might be a little heavier. This is the warranty. Everybody loves warranty because when you buy a tool, you need the warranty. I don't know how long this tool or how far this tool will help me, but it looks Chinese. Fine. Let me show you the cover. All these languages we don't understand anything. So 6-volt alkaline screwdriver set. Model is A7073. It says 100 years of innovation. This is the Black & Decker of which year? 1910 to 2010. So it's already 100-year plus company. And what else? All the type of screws they have provided with this, and some utilities, how to use, and there are multiple languages which we don't hardly understand them. The specifications. The torque is 2.9 Nm. No load speed is 130 rpm. 130 rpm. Weight is 0.24 kg. So this is what I can get. It is made in PRC. This is the country, they say PRC. Okay, here is the information. This is a Bangalore company which imported this product, and the cost, as I already I told you. Alright guys, let's assemble this by inserting the battery. So I feel we need to just press both sides and pull up those battery cases and cut those batteries into two. This is a very sharp knife, so I'm using it carefully because I'm using one hand. These are the tool bits. The bits are really nice. I could see there are two sets. It can handle all the sizes. It is given some star, some Phillips, then the remaining plus, minus, and different types. So it can handle almost all types of screws, not all sizes, but it's okay, we can use them from the different. So the battery directions are given plus, minus accordingly. We have to use those. Unboxing I'm doing in one hand, so excuse me for the time taken. I could have taken my junior, but he is busy studying, so let him be busy. We should not blame for his exams. So the exams are look at the directions, polarities. It's simple. So I just made the polarities correct, and this is the inside. Now it should be really heavy. It has got automatic and manual. Let me see how the automatic and manual modes function. This is the power mode. This is the manual mode. Let me insert the. It can be inserted any side. There is nothing, because there is no contact. So yes, it should be only inserted this way, because the other way there is no contact. So you should insert only this way. So I'm through. So I'm just inserting this. Now it should function. Let me see the manual how to run this, but this is the direction, this is down, this is up. So could be clockwise, anti-clockwise, and here it is manual mode and power mode. Probably some kind of so let's start. I'm unable to show you. clockwise, anti-clockwise. Let me see whether this helps me opening the fan blades. Here is the cute, this is the cute manual. I hope this is going to help me reading the initial instructions. General safety, technical data, power tool use and care, personal safety, work area safety, additional power tool safety warnings, repair. The tool label may have the following symbols. Each symbol has the meaning. V for volts, A for ampere, H, Z for hertz, frequency, then watts, MIN is minutes, this is AC symbol, this is direct current symbol. So all these we know, we studied in our engineering. So all the parts names also written. That's really interesting. What to do, batteries, fitting, removing, figures. It's really handy. Okay, this anyway we can't read all these languages, so we can understand the English. All right, let me try. So I could understand after reading the manual. That's why before using any tool we should read the operating manual. So I could understand why they have given the manual switch over here. There is a power and there is a manual. The manual means you can still use this as a manual screwdriver if you don't have batteries, or you feel like you need more torque, it is not happening. So this can be still used as a normal screwdriver. So this is the forward one, this is the reverse one, and once you put it in the manual mode, you don't have to press those buttons because it is locked. And power mode is for the battery, and use only alkaline batteries. I still don't know what this is. This could be a let me see what it is. Anyways friends, this I did not understand. Probably this is a service requirement. You have to pull this up to repair this. There are these like a lock, it seems like a lock, so you have to pry it here to open this up. Probably that is a servicing trick. We don't have to bother. This is a new one, and we have just unboxed it. Let's use for our fans repairing or cleaning. loosened all the bolts, I mean nuts easily. You see now. Let me remove these ones. I really find it useful because I did not have to struggle. Only thing is the screwdriver is bit higher than the fan, so I had to tilt the fan. Let's go to the next one. Easy. Remove the third one. I am much more experienced this time. This is much easier. I could remove this easily because I am experienced now. This is the third one. I opened it. So see my face. If you open a fan, the fins of the fans, so you become like this. Your t-shirts, everything is dirty everywhere. So let me show you the fans. are just removed, gone for washing. After cleaning the fan, the fins and the fan, it is really good. Looks good. I didn't use the tool, automated tool. I just tightened with the normal. Let's go to the other one.
तुम बताओ अभी क्या टाइम हुआ है?
Yeah, this is also nice.
4 बजे?
हाँ?
Nice.
वो अभी याद आया, 4 बजे हम किसी के साथ जा रहे हैं।
आप एक कंपाउंडर बोलो, कौन तुम?
किसके साथ जा रहे हैं अभी? जा तो नहीं रहे थे।
This is now cleaned and I have tightened manually, not using the tool. So this is good.